Okay, hello student. Today we are going to see the topic LVDT. Okay, what is LVDT? LVDT stands for linear variable differential transformers. Okay, so first point is it is used to measure a displacement. Okay, that means linear displacement you can measure with this device, which is called LVDT. It's type of an inductive transducer. That means its working principle based on the inductions. Okay, you know the self-induced EMF, mutual induced EMF. You already studied in transformers. Actually, that's why it is called transformer. And differential means difference between two voltages. That's why it is called differential transformer. We will see in diagram how it works. Okay. Now, third point is it converts a linear motion into electrical signals. Okay, that means electrical voltages you will get, electrical value you will get for the displacement. Now transformer having primary and secondary winding, you know that. Okay, in this device we divide the secondary winding in two parts, S1 and S2. Okay, now let us check out this diagram. This is the LVDT diagram. So P means primary winding, S1 S2 means secondary winding, which is surrounded to the core. That means in diagram you can see on both sides. Okay, iron core is there. Now iron core is attached to the arm, whose arm of the object whose displacement you want to measure. Okay, now object is moving, so iron core also moving. Okay, now let us check out the working principle. We already supplied the AC supply to the primary winding. When we apply AC supply to the primary winding, then magnetic field is produced around the primary winding. Now this magnetic field, okay, cause, or you can say produce EMF in primary winding also, which is called self-induced EMF. Okay, now this magnetic field should be coupled to the S1 and S2, then another, or you can say mutual induction will going on there, and then EMF will induce in S1, S2. But it depends upon the iron core that how much coupling of the EMF from primary to S2 or primary to S1 is going on. Okay, so suppose iron core is more moving in this direction and more coupled to the primary winding and S2 winding. So the EMF induced in S2, which is ES2, denoted by ES2, is greater. Okay, if iron core moving in this direction and now it more coupled to the S1, secondary part of the S1, then the EMF induced in S1, which is denoted by ES1, will be greater. Okay, so that is the concept. That means the movement of iron core, or you can say displacement of the iron core, we are converting into the electrical voltages, or you can say EMF. EMF is nothing but electromotive force. Okay, now how we are getting output from there? The output formula is this: E0 means output, ES1 minus ES2. Primary, or you can say secondary S1 and secondary S2. Okay, both are secondary winding, but we are divided the secondary in a two part, S1, S2, and they are connected in a opposite phase. Okay, so that the difference between them, it is the output, ES1 minus ES2. Okay, suppose the iron core is coupled with the S1 and S2 equally, then output will be 0. Why? Because ES1 is equal to ES2. The difference between them is 0. That is the null position you can consider for the LVDT. Now with the help of that null position, you can also check out the direction, in which direction displacement going on, either in forward direction or reverse direction. Okay, which can be further indicated with the plus and minus values. Okay, so in such a way that you can able to measure the displacement with the help of LVDT. Now to get more clear idea for this connection, you can consider this diagram. This is your primary winding supplied with some voltages, so magnetic field will be produced here. Okay, now this magnetic flux can be coupled with the secondary winding, which is divided into two parts, SW1, secondary winding 1, secondary winding 2, SW2. Okay, now how much magnetic field will couple with S1 and S2. It depends upon the iron core, moment of the iron core. Okay. Now they are connected like this way. That is called antiphase way. So output of the E0 is always the difference between them. That's why it is called differential transformer. Transformer means they are working on the induction principle. Okay. So this is the LVDT. This is the working of LVDT. It is used for the measurement of the linear displacement. Okay. Thank you.